Let's get to Yahoo Finance's Emily McCormick to break down all the market action. Hi there, Emily.
Hi, Dave. And as you mentioned, we are seeing green across the screen. The S&P 500, Dow, and Nasdaq holding on to gains throughout today's session, and the S&P 500 in particular looking to extend those gains that it saw on Friday, though that index did still post its worst weekly performance since March 2020 for the full week last week. Now, as you can see here, for the year to date, still seeing losses here across that major average, down 21%, and by even more if we take a look from its record high from January 3rd, but of course pairing some of those losses based on today's trading action. Now, if we take a look inside the Nasdaq 100, we are also seeing quite a few gains across a lot of the large cap technology stocks here. If I switch over to those Nasdaq components, you can see that Tesla is one of those notable outperformers, up more than 9%. And that's after CEO Elon Musk was discussing today with Bloomberg that he was going to be planning to cut 10% of the workforce, but that the company was still going to be hiring on the hourly employee side. So that was going to keep the net reduction down to about 3%. Now, similar story here if we take a look at Apple and Amazon, of course, heavily weighed components within the S&P 500 as well as the Nasdaq, also moving sharply to the upside. Now, also want to take a look at what we're seeing inside of cryptocurrencies because we do have Bitcoin prices moving higher after falling to its lowest level since December 2020 at below 18,000 briefly over the weekend. Now back above that $20,000 level, nearly 21,000. But again, seeing a little rebound across many of these risk assets.